bifocals. Important. Okay. From where you will see the diagram fused bifocals. And what are one is bifocal? All these. Please read the types. Progressive additional lenses is important. Okay. These two paragraphs are very important. Remember the swimming sensations with pulse. One MCQ which comes here from this is good candidates for false progressive lenses may be patient with new presbyopia. There will be an MCQ that a patient has come with new presbyopia. What will you advise? You will advise pause. A shorter backwater distance will give greater binocular field of vision. Greater pentoscopic gives increased field but must accommodate in the these lines are important. Okay. Pulse. This is very important. This not very much important. Just give a read. Anti-rule. I have already told you that this is very important. The start. Image displacement. Not very important. Just a read. But these lines are important. Image displacement is minimized. Image jump. Very, very, very important. Whole thing is important. With plus lenses, we prefer round top. With minus lenses, we prefer flat top. Please remember this. Please remember this. And which has the maximum image jump, minimal, and the no image jump. Very important. In one MCQ, there was an MCQ which of the following has no image jump. So you have pick exacto style segment, exacto style bifocal, flat top bifocal like a round top like this. Okay, remember this. Just a minute. All those topics which I am telling are very very important. You should revise those topics on the one day before the exam. Read what is slab of and what is reverse slab of. This is important. Okay. These topics are not so much important. Not important. Important. Lens design is very important. Segment decentration is important. Okay. Remember these definition: working distance, lens power, all these. Aphakic lenses, very important. Read the whole topic. Refracting technique, very important. Look here. This whole topic is important rather than a phoropter. Trial frames or the lens clips are preferred. Improvement of the contrast sensitivity. These are very important. Okay, most this MCQ has come most dark sunglasses absorb 70 to 80% of the incident light of all the wavelength. On a bright sunny day, this has come, the major function of the dark sunglasses is to allow the retina to remain at its normal level of contrast sensitivity. Very important, very important. Please read this, all this, reducing the glare sensitivity. All these topics are very important. Okay. Ultraviolet lenses important. Just give a ring to this page. This is very important. Special lens materials, index of refraction, specific gravity, tab number, impact resistance is not too much important, but tab number and the first two, this index of refraction and the specific gravity, this is very, very important. Very, very important. Standard glass. Very important this whole topic from here, the former glasses and like this. Standard plastic CR39 hard resin. This is very important. Polycarbonate. Very important. Very important. Tribex. Very important. Okay. This is the lightest lens material currently available and meets high velocity impact standards. Okay. High index material. Please read it. Very important. Okay. Therapeutic use of the prism. Just give a rate. Read about the Fresnel prism. Please read about the Fresnel prism. Management of anisometropia. Very, very important. You can leave this topic. This is not important. Please leave it.